Did you know Warren Buffett bought his first stock at just 11 years old? Crazy, right? But here's the real kicker. By the time he was 30, he was already a millionaire. Stick with me because today we're breaking down Warren Buffett's $0 to billionaire blueprint. And trust me, these steps aren't just for Wall Street, they're for you, hustlers of 2025. Ready? Let's go. Buffett once said, "My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest." Think about this. Buffett didn't just invest money, he invested time. The earlier you start, the longer compounding has to work its magic. Here's the deal. Compounding isn't just about finances. In 2025, it's about compounding your skills. Every online course, every new habit, every skill stack you build, it's like earning interest on your brain. And guess what? The ROI on knowledge is unbeatable. Don't get shiny object syndrome. Jumping from trend to trend might feel productive, but it's a compounding killer. Stay focused. Warren's biggest piece of advice: the best investment you can make is in yourself. Whether it's public speaking, yes, he took a Dale Carnegie course to conquer that, or learning new skills, personal growth is the bedrock of financial growth. In 2025, investing in yourself means staying ahead in AI, digital marketing, and blockchain. Tools like ChatGPT or learning platforms like Coursera and Skillshare aren't just optional anymore, they're essential. Start treating your personal growth as seriously as your bank account. Don't confuse consuming with investing. Watching 10 motivational videos is great, but it's action that counts. Pick one thing and go deep. Buffett is famous for saying, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." Translation: good things take time. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, wasn't built overnight, and neither is sustainable wealth. Let's bring this into 2025. Playing the long game means building online businesses or personal brands that grow steadily. Instead of chasing quick TikTok fame, focus on creating value that lasts. Think newsletters, evergreen content, or even slow but steady YouTube growth. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Whether it's crypto pumps or overnight business hacks, they're traps. Build, don't gamble. Here's a lesser-known Buffett gem. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. Surrounding yourself with high-caliber people isn't just inspiring, it's contagious. Networking in 2025 isn't just coffee chats, it's being active in online communities, Discord groups, and LinkedIn networks. Join masterminds, follow thought leaders, and contribute value. Your net worth often reflects your network's worth. Don't network just to take. Be the person who offers help or shares insights. That's how you'll stand out. Here's what's mind-blowing about Buffett. He's worth over $100 billion, yet he still lives in the house he bought in 1958. Why? Because frugality lets you focus on what really matters: investments, growth, and opportunity. In today's world, staying frugal doesn't mean cutting coupons, it means intentional spending. Use tech tools to track expenses. Apps like YNAB or Mint help you identify what's worth spending on and what's not. Save where you can, so you can invest where it counts. Don't confuse frugality with deprivation. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Treat yourself, but only when it aligns with your bigger goals. Now let's bring Buffett's principles into 2025. 1. Compounding. Start automating investments with apps like Robinhood or Wealthfront. Even $20 a week adds up. 2. Investing in yourself. Set aside 10% of your income for courses, tools, or workshops. 3. Playing the long game. Build a side hustle that aligns with your passions. Think about what you'd still love doing in 10 years. 4. Networking. Connect with niche communities, AI startups, climate tech innovators, or creator economy circles. There's a space for everyone. 5. Frugality. Go digital with subscriptions. Cut unnecessary ones, but invest in premium tools that give you leverage. And remember, these aren't just billionaire secrets. They're your blueprint for building wealth. Which of Buffett's principles resonated with you the most? Are you ready to compound your skills, build your network, or maybe start that side hustle? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And hey, next week we're diving into how Jeff Bezos turned a tiny online bookstore into Amazon's global empire. So hit subscribe and ring that bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Remember, wealth isn't just about working hard. It's about working smart, playing the long game, and building habits that last. If Warren Buffett can do it, so can you. Keep learning, keep earning, and I'll see you next time at the AImarketingschool.com. Anna Cool out.